The creation of the National Health Service 1948. Care for all the founding of the National Health Service NHS is one of the most widely loved events in modern British history because it represents a moment when the country chose collective welfare after collective sacrifice, and it is entirely factual. What actually happened on the 5th of July 1948, the NHS was launched across Britain. For the first time, medical care became free at the point of use. Everyone was covered. Regardless of income, hospitals were brought under public ownership. This was revolutionary for its time. Why it was created? Britain had just emerged from World War II. Cities were bombed, millions had served or suffered. There was a strong sense of social solidarity. The wartime experience showed that state-organized systems could work. Aneurin Bevan, the architect health minister Aneurin Bevan, nationalized hospitals, negotiated fiercely with doctors, famously said he had to stuff their mouths with gold to secure cooperation. Doctors initially opposed the NHS, another historical truth. What changed immediately? Access to doctors and hospitals expanded overnight. Diseases went untreated far less often. Health outcomes improved rapidly. The fear of medical bankruptcy disappeared. Demand was higher than expected. People finally sought care. What is often overlooked? The NHS was politically controversial. It was expensive from the start. Dentistry and prescriptions were later charged. It required constant reform and funding battles, yet public support endured. Why the British hold it so dear? Because it reflects fairness, shared responsibility, dignity in illness, national solidarity. It's often described as Britain's closest equivalent to a national religion. Why it truly matters? The NHS became a global model for universal healthcare, improved life expectancy, reduced class-based health inequality, remains central to British identity. In one sentence, the NHS is cherished because Britain made healthcare a right, not a privilege, and that decision has shaped the nation ever since.